What's up, everybody? Sprint,
Shannon,
aka #1, coming at you here live. Actually, as we head down to our goddaughter's graduation.
Yep.
Super excited. We're heading down to Texas right now, but we actually got a package. We always love getting these, so we're just going to say thank you so much. 2 on the throttle. Again, 2 on the throttle. I'll put that in the description for everybody so that way you can check that channel out. Really awesome dude, has really helped us a lot, and but sent us a nice gift beforehand with hats, but now is sent us another gift that is supposed to be maybe some shirts for us. I do not know what they're going to look like, so we're getting ready to open them up and check them out. Anything from you over there, #1?
That'd be cool if we got a shirt.
Be cool if we got a shirt, yeah. She's driving, so I don't know how much she's gonna pay attention to
Being Grinch chauffeur for once.
Yeah.
It's because we're not on the motorcycle.
I'm kind of loving that. We got opposite roles going here. Yeah, that's pretty good. I be your B. Alright, well, here we go. We're getting ready to open it up. I did have to open the package because I've not looked into it, but I did open the package because I have no idea what these are going to look like. So here we go. Alright. Whoa, I like the shirt on them.
I like the blue.
Ah, check that out. That's a really cool.
Oh, that looks really good.
That's really cool. You can see that.
Take it out of the plastic.
That is awesome.
Probably aren't going to be able to see it.
I'm going to take that out of the plastic here as my wife tells me what to do all the time. Just kidding.
Well, your wife has been on social media longer than you, so she knows how
That's
people
fair.
do things.
Look at that. Check that out. And then we got the second one too. Oh my gosh, look at the sleeve
It's
too.
on the sleeve too. Oh.
No, that's something different. Check this out on the sleeve. What? This is amazing. Oh, that is so cool. What in the world? Check that. Here, look.
Oh, it's great.
Oh, let's not get you in the camera. Here you go.
Yeah, thank you. That looks great.
Isn't that
I
awesome?
like the sunflowers and the buffalo.
Dude, no doubt. My goodness,
It
man.
has a lot of detail.
No doubt. 2 on a throttle, man. You went crazy town.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Oh, that's a really cool colored shirt.
So
Says
who gets what? Who gets blue and who gets white?
Oh no,
Or
there's
green?
2 sets in here.
Oh!
Yeah, there's 2 sets.
I thought we were going to be fighting over
But look, you got your name on the front of it too.
Oh, it's got my name on it. You
I
guys
know.
are cute.
That is awesome.
You guys are cute.
Well, it's not guys, it's one.
Well, you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Dude, the oil derrick in there and the feathers, that is awesome because
Although it should say #1 instead of Shannon. That's my
should
only
say
complaint.
#1.
I'm just
Yeah.
kidding. No, I love that. That's great.
That is so
That is
awesome.
really cool. And it looks just like our bike, so
I
that's
love
awesome.
the headdress too for the Indians. 'Cause,
Yeah, that's cool.
We both have Indian in us too as well, so it's fantastic. And then we got bridge shirts, which are the same. Right
So
here.
we both get a blue. No, you
Oh no, I got
you're
different
getting-
colors.
Oh, I love the blue. Yay, I got the blue and you didn't. Haha.
Yeah, funny. Man, that is awesome. Holy crap.
Those are really cool.
Yeah, that is neat.
Good job.
Man, I am like stoked for that. That is unbelievable. How cool, man. Thank you so much for putting that together. The detail, you got the bald eagle here, which just recently,
Yeah.
the bald eagles actually came into our backyard and played around in the backyard for like hours.
They were getting frogs.
I think they were eating frogs is what they were
They were
doing.
catching big bullfrogs.
Yeah. And then it has the Oklahoma emblem. This is actually our state emblem right here, which is really cool. It has the feathers for the Indian. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, that is so
Those look
cool.
so good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. That is beyond anything I ever expected.
Yeah.
Had no idea what that was even going to look like. I know you participated with me via Instagram and just said, hey, I'm going to make some shirts for you. I had no idea what that was going to turn out to look like. So, wow.
So now we need to
I feel
send
kind
out
of bad.
sizes.
We need to we kind of need to
We need to send them a gift
send
card for
them
food
money or
somewhere.
something.
Yeah, send
like,
them something.
Goodness, that is unbelievable. How kind and how generous. What an amazing community.
Yeah.
YouTube. Honestly, just everybody we continue to meet and be around. Like whether you're subscriber number 1,
Kansas couple, we're looking at you. Where's our shirts?
or 1,300 that we're at now, all of you make such a huge difference in our lives that we just can't thank you enough. It's been awesome. Yeah, Kansas couple, where are you at? Where are you at, Oklahoma boys?
Don't send us the Michelin socks. We already have some.
Yeah, don't send us the Michelin socks. Please don't do that. We don't need those. Hey, if you don't know, check out 2Lane Life here. Probably maybe this Friday or next Wednesday's episode. They come to Tulsa. They come actually just to see us. That's at least what Lance told me. That's a lie. We did get to have a good time with them, with the Oakland boys, the Kansas couple too as well, and it was a great time to spend with them. And so, but yeah, I guess that's going to be it. We're going to turn it off now, head on down the highway, as they say.
Yep.
And you know, happy trails to you. We'll see you on the other side.
Like and subscribe.
Yep.